Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get linen fabric in Windrose. Now there are some prerequisites for you to be able to make some linen fabric. Open your journal by pressing down J on your keyboard and then go to discovery right here. And you have to at least on the main story have unlocked the foothills region. Because inside the foothills region, you can find the flax fiber right over here. Once you have discovered flax fiber, you'll now be able to build some new building elements, namely the spinning wheel and the shoemaker's bench. But most importantly, the spinning wheel. Because this is the building that we're going to be using to make some linen fabric right over here. Now we do have a video of how to find flax in the channel, so you might want to check it out. Now for you to be able to make the spinning wheel, you are going to require 10 pieces of wood, 5 pieces of rope, and make sure to read the description that says that it requires a roof and only works within the bonfire range. Right over here is the spinning wheel that we're gonna use. By pressing down E, you'll be able to make some linen fabric at the cost of 3 flax fibers. Linen fabric is pretty much important when it comes to upgrading your gear, so make as much of it as possible, but it will take some time for it to be generated. And there we go, it finally made some linen fabric. And that's pretty much about it on how to get linen fabric in Windrose.